Good morning, friends, and I hope you all had a good, profitable day today. Previously, I had mentioned that market shall be very volatile. If you're holding any positions, please hedge and be cautious. And accordingly, if you see Friday, how the market uh, moved down, and may everybody thought market may go lower and probably could have held puts also. If you see the last, I think hour of the day, Nifty and Bank Nifty both pulled out and then made. Looking at this, many of the groups were thinking that market can go down, but then if you see, market has given a gap up today, a very strong gap up. Especially if you see Bank Nifty, there was a gap up of almost 330 points. So that's a big, what do you call as a loss. Whereas what we had done is we had. Uh, in fact, we also had put and 42,700 put 320. The moment it went close to around uh, uh, 400, we hedged it with one trade of 42 300. So that's how we locked in our profit in the put side in Bank Nifty and then also held. And in fact, in the opening, we also took 43. We added another 42 300 call, which gave additional profit. If you see our trade, if you see in the opening pre-market, we had shared a pre-market trades. We had mentioned if 40 to 300 above 512, our target can be 640. Looking at the volumes we bought, in fact, we also had two our stock option pre-market trades. You can go to the YouTube. Uh, we had shared if 870 call moves above 13, then we can look at 15. And this we it gave us around 2-3 points. And whereas Axis Bank, we were able to make about 4 points, in fact. Along with that, we also took another trade of 150 call for at around 60, which went up to 95. So a couple of trades we took. There were trade of 40 to 900, from 230 it went to 270. So overall, a profitable day. If I look at the option chain, Nifty has both the put and the call writers strongly holding the fort at 18,100. So it is a very interesting day tomorrow, because if market is able to gap up, then this 18,100 call writers who are still holding the positions will have to move. Maybe they may move towards 18,200, or they may add towards 18,300. And if market is slightly overbought, though not fully overbought, we can say. So there could be a very strong breakout to be seen, which is watchful. And if you see Bank Nifty 42,500 is a strong put writer, and 43,000 call writers are holding their fort strongly. So if Bank Nifty is able to move above 43,000 for tomorrow, from my end, if market moves above 42,900, if it opens here, I would look for a target of 43,000 to 43,000 or 43,50 levels. Thereon, I would watch how the market behaves. If I get a pattern if I see a market consolidating, becoming flat, and moving down below 42,900, I may again look to go short. However, if market moves down or opens down like this, then I would see where the market is heading. If it is moving down, then I would look to go short, because below 42, if I look at this pattern, it looks like I am. And if market sustains below 42, 1700, then I would go short for a target of 40 to 500. So very interesting day tomorrow. Uh, I shall share the pre-market calls as usual. And let me check my charts. Let me check the strike prices which I'm looking in Bank Nifty. Mm, Being a expiry, I would avoid taking any stock option calls. Number two, you all know premium also will be at a cost. So let's try and see if we can avoid. However, if market gives us some kind of a positive, so buy if a put side 43,200 PE above, sorry, 40, yes, 43,200 put. If this moves above 467, 470, we can say, then we may look at a target of 580 plus, and with a proper stop loss of 417 on the on the long side. uh, I would look to buy. I would keep in my radar 40 to 500 call, and this if it moves above 485 or so, then I would look for a target of 590 to 6440. Stop loss here I would be looking at 438. Let's also look at Nifty, how and also let us look at being expiry. I'm also looking at Fin Nifty. It is again, if I see, there is chances that this may try to open here at maybe 42,920. Then a target would be somewhere close to, sorry, if it opens above, let me remove this lines. So if it opens above 18,920, then I think I would look for a target of somewhere close to 19,000. However, if it moves below, then I think it may look to fill this gap which is here at 18,770 levels. Uh, some stocks I have uh, looked at. One is Dr. Reddy's. This has been consolidating. One. Number two, if this sustains above 43, 4,380, then we can possibly look at targets of 4450 and 4550. HDFC Life also is a very strong stock. Currently, it is looking bearish. I can see more downs coming. If it doesn't sustain above 590, then I think we can go short in futures for the next month for a target of 5670 around. Bajaj Finance is showing a bit signs of recovery. Uh, it is at a strong 10 line support. Let us see how it moves because I'm just sharing this view. So some of the, you know, our friends were asking about the same. Uh, IndusInd Bank is also slightly being pushed down. If this doesn't move above 1,000 to 10, then I may see more down coming, and this can even go up to 1,000. Uh, 1165 levels. Uh, Market can definitely be bullish tomorrow. However, if there is a gap up, as I mentioned, I would look at the levels and trade. Um, so thank you all for your time.